Boeing 188, this is Boeing 084, no copy, my left VHF.
Yeah, but that's Boeing 084, this is Boeing 188. I read you loud and clear.
Alright, 188, I read you loud and clear. Are you ready to switch radios?
Stand by. Okay, yeah, I've switched radios now. How do you read?
Boeing 188, 084, I read you loud and clear. Now me?
Yeah, I read you loud and clear as well, 84.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 084, radio check on 475, how copy?
084, Boeing Everett, loud and clear, Soco follows.
Such a good check there, stand by VHF 2. Boeing Everett, Boeing 084 on VHF 2, how copy?
084, Boeing Everett, loud and clear, Soco follows.
Good check there, stand by VHF 2. And Boeing Everett 084 on VHF 2.
084, Boeing Everett, that's good and readable, Soco follows.
Good check, got a couple HFs 11306.
Copy, standing by.
Boeing Ops Giant 4351.
Giant 4351, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Okay, Giant 4351, we're starting our descent. BTA is 2010.
Copy, 2010, and 3 on board today?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, there's 2 people on board.
And copy, we'll make it 2, thanks. We'll see you on the ground.
Will do.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 415.
415, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
It'll be in there in about 5 minutes for 2 approaches and on to Boeing Field.
Yeah, roger, copy, thanks.
6,000 for 415. We're in the descent now.
That's on the air.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 084.
084, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Roger, box has us landing at 3-3 past the hour.
And copy, 33 past the hour, thanks.
And roger, we'll be on runway 16, landing to the south.
And copy that, thanks.
10,000, 084.
Last is on company.
Boeing Everett, Boeing 188.
Boeing 188, Boeing Everett, go ahead.
Roger, back in 15 minutes, 15.
Copy, ETA 15 minutes.
0 fool. Alright, Mark Morris. Yeah, I just unloaded a tire off a vendor at F5. It's actually going to 209, so when I get done with this paint, I'll take it down there for you.
Well, you got the vendor at F5, okay, very good.
Yeah, if you want to get Ralph off his lazy butt, there's a Tuscan Nancy 4 going somewhere.